In an Uber to the airport, Terminal 3. A couple carry-on bags, please don't wait these. What do you do? A little don't wait me. Meet me and my brother, we flying down for the weekend. We got an Airbnb by the beach, have you been there? Come hit a party if you speak French. Well, are we?
Good morning, everyone. It's currently 6:17 in the morning, and we're off to Hawaii. So we made it to Foodland.
Reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right.
Got the regular ahi tuna and spicy, right?
Yeah, I got spicy as well, and then secret spicy.
And we also got spam musubis. Cheers.
I told you, doesn't it hit different?
It's so flavorful. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday morning. Today we're gonna go hiking and then eat some really good tonkatsu for dinner. We woke up at 6 a.m. because of the time difference for me, and Charmaine's been working, but I went out and checked out the beach by myself and it's so beautiful. I wanna live here. Maybe. So we came to Island Vintage Coffee.
It's sponsored by Emily Mariko here on TikTok.
Wait, what is the coffee?
Oh yeah, the Island Latte. It has macadamia nut and a hint of coconut.
Try it.
I don't like coconut and I'm Filipino,
You don't?
so we'll see how it goes. But it's apparently just like a small hint of coconut, so I don't think it'll be too bad.
What's that? Is it sweet?
No.
Let me try it. Oh,
It's good,
oh, it's like
though.
very coconutty. This is the papaya bowl, literally on a papaya with yogurt, banana, strawberry, granola, blueberries, and pineapple.
So this one, it's basically acai bowl base, but with lilikoi in the top.
What
which
is
passion
lilikoi?
fruit.
Okay, passion fruit. Papaya is like questionable.
Yeah, I
but
don't like papaya.
but maybe this one will be good.
Okay, make sure you get everything, like the papaya,
Yeah.
yogurt, and
Cheers.
granola. Wait, this is bomb.
Wait,
I don't like papaya.
I don't even taste the papaya. It smells like passion fruit.
Oh wow.
It's
good.
so refreshing.
This is perfect because we're about to go on a hike.
This is our pre-hike meal. Pre-workout right here. This is really giving like tropical rainforest vibes. Also, you definitely need hiking shoes. It's super muddy and it's really wet, and there are a lot of rocks everywhere. All right, we made it to the top. It's waterfall. Hey guys, this is the Anakai Beach.
Lover, would you be here for me? Never met your parents.
Hey guys, so we're at Yoshoku Ginza Baron. It's a really famous tonkatsu restaurant, and we got one pork tonkatsu and one omurice, like the Japanese omurice with that the fluffy egg where you cut it and then it unravels like that. Yeah. Cheers. It's like sweet, but like oniony a little bit. It's a good
Oniony.
combo.
I like it. Do you see how thick it is?
Alright, cheers. It's juicy.
It's buttery. It's very tender.
Hey guys, so we're currently at Oh No Seafood, and it's a really popular poke place. Look at this. I got the ahi tuna and the Hawaiian tuna.
I got the spicy ahi and the Hawaiian style ahi.
Okay. We're gonna do a first bite right now. Cheers. It's so good. We're gonna go to the beach. Eat this on the beach, but too hungry. Alright, we're gonna just enjoy this, so goodbye. Also, there's like no one here, so it's a little awkward. So we're currently at North Shore Beach, and we found Fruit Shack, but there's also like a lot of other stands here, and so we're gonna try some exotic fruit today, like coconuts, soursop. I have no idea what that is.
There's something called mountain apple. Let's try mountain apple.
So here we are with the Hawaiian fruit bowl. I think this is guava, but I've never actually tried guava, so cheers.
That's good.
Do you hear the rooster?
Yeah.
Coconut. I haven't actually had fresh coconut before.
Wait, me too. Wait, is that?
Oh my gosh, there's a chicken
Where?
right there. There's just a rooster walking. Oh my gosh. There's like 5 roosters. Holy. Oh my gosh.
Okay, this is soursop. Ooh, it's kind of... Whoa. I like it. It's like the inside of a grape.
Kind of tastes like a lychee.
Yeah, but like with the consistency of the inside of a grape, right?
Hey guys, today is Saturday, and today's a big day because we're going ziplining, and we've never been ziplining before, and apparently this is like pretty advanced.
And I'm terrified of heights.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be really high and long, so it's gonna be interesting, but
We're facing our fears.
yeah, we are facing our fears. Also, I got these new sunglasses. We got some pastries and coffee at this place called Aloha Bread, and we kind of want ham with the scones and the bread, so
But like we always go ham. So I'm the one who ordered for us. So first off, we decided to share a spinach and cheese Aloha bread. I think that's what they're known for.
wow, the cheese.
Oh my gosh, show them the
is
side.
What?
Look at the side.
Oh shoot. Oh wait, show me, look.
Oh!
Oh shit! Oh my gosh, it's so soft too. Wow. Oh my gosh.
This is the star of the show for Aloha Bakery.
The bread is so soft, and the cheese is so thick and warm and chewy.
And it's very like garlicky and buttery, like on the top, and not too overpowering.
An hour early to the ziplining place, and Charmaine is freaking out a little bit. We've been watching videos, and it's really, really high.
Okay, but Colleen gave me anxiety because we have to go through bridges to go to like the different ziplining courses, and she was telling me that there's gaps in between the bridges. So I was terrified. Like, what happens if, like, 1, I'm terrified of heights. 2, I accidentally like miss a step and like just fall down the little like gap.
Yeah, but we're fine. We're gonna be fine.
Yeah.
asked them what the death rate is here, and it's actually zero deaths, so 100% survival rate.
Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Days are always over. Before I had a chance, I fantasized about more than just a meaningless romance. With time, I'll never understand. I would take it all for granted when I could hold you in my.
First time trying Giovanni shrimp.
I think it's just rice with garlic on the top, but this
Okay.
is their shrimp scampi. This is their most popular one. I'm just gonna use my hand.
I ate the whole thing and the tail. The tail is good. If you don't eat the tail of your shrimp, you're missing out.
I don't eat the tail.
Missing out. Garlic on top. I feel like this lives up to the hype. That was good. Yeah, I want to try the papaya salad.
It has like a kick to it.
I got medium spice too.
Wow. This is really good. This might be one of the best papaya salads I've ever had.
There's a Thai food truck. It's like a husband and wife. It took a while, but I saw them like making the spring roll. They're making everything on their own.
These three, it's a good mix.
So this is 2 minutes from the ziplining place, North Shore. So good. Hey guys, we are on another hike today. Today we are at Macapita. This is a very steep hike. I've been walking uphill for the past mile. It's hot up here. I think we're almost there to the top though. So we hopped over this ledge here to get a better view. Look at that. So we're just sitting on a sidewalk right here. We got the kalua pork, rice, and some salad. So let's get a little bit of that. This is 12-hour roasted pork.
It's actually really tender.
Wow. Oh my gosh, it's salty. And the seasoning is so good.
It's really tender, the meat.
That's good. We are currently at the airport and we're here about 4 hours early. I'm gonna do a food haul of everything I'm bringing back to my house. We'll start off with chips. Nori chips. I love these. Shoyu fried rice crackers. I never tried this, but I love rice crackers. Dark chocolate with granola and coffee chips. Li Hing lemon. Charmaine, look at this. I got lemon slices.
Oh my god.
You wanna try it?
I wanna try it.
Okay, we'll try this one. Tropical assorted fruit gummies. Coffee beans. So this is chocolate macadamia nut and vanilla macadamia nut. We stopped by 7-Eleven and I got lychee sour belts. And I'm bringing back spam musubi. So we got deluxe spam musubi. This has spam, egg, furikake, rice. And then I got spicy shrimp katsu, rice with shrimp katsu in the middle. Spicy ahi nori roll, so like spicy tuna roll.
Please proceed to the visitors
And hot Cheetos for the flight. Charmaine and I are gonna try the Li Hing lemon, dehydrated lemon. Okay, I've never tried lemons like this, so they're legit just like dried up lemons.
We love lemon.
We love sour.
Yeah, lemon or lime.
Oh,
If you were to pick one, lemon or lime.
lemon.
Lime.
Wait, smell it. It smells interesting.
Oh. I don't know if I could eat this, man.
Alright, cheers.
Useless.
Okay,
This tastes like you're eating the lemon peel.
yeah, it's not sour. It just tastes like a lemon peel. I guess this is our last activity of the day, or of the trip.
Yep.
Chilling at
Gonna
the
have some
airport.
alone time.
Somebody needs some alone time. She's gonna go into hibernation for the next year because of this trip.
Honestly.
Yeah, honestly, it was a lot, you know? 24/7, literally.
It was a fun trip.
Alright, see ya. Until next time, everyone. Say bye.
Bye.
Everything will be alright for as long as the world still turns. There will be night and day. Can you hear me? There's a rainbow always after the rain.
Dang. That was like my personal music video.